Thanks for tuning in for another Essential RC flight test, and today it's a little bit windy outside. We can't really go flying, which is just as well because it gives me the opportunity to flight test this, which is the SYMA S109G RC Helicopter sent to us by our friends at banggood.com. Okay, so you get everything in the box that you need to get flying, so let's start with the helicopter itself. So here it is. You notice probably straight away that it looks very much like the Boeing AH-64 Apache Helicopter that we've all seen. It has two rotors, basically has that for stability and makes it a lot easier to fly. So if you are a beginner or have not flown RC helicopters before, then this could be the first thing that you might want to try out. It's got the battery already built in here. You don't need to remove that. You've got a charge cable, USB connector at one end, and you plug in on that side to charge it up. Plug the USB plug into your desktop PC or laptop, for example, and it takes about half an hour to charge up. Other than the scheme that's on it as well, you've got two LED lights here and an on-off switch on the opposite side to the charging port. Then you've got the transmitter. Unusually with this product you do get the AA batteries. You get 6 AA batteries. Now why do you get 6 AA batteries? They all go in the transmitter, but you have the option of charging off the transmitter as well. So if you're at home, probably best to charge off this USB lead off your desktop PC or laptop, as I was saying. But what you do have, if you slide that off the back, is you've got another charge cable from the transmitter. So you're effectively charging off the 6 AA batteries that are inside this onto the RC helicopter here, which is another great way to do it if you are outside and you want to charge up for a second or third flight. Otherwise, the controls on here are pretty standard. So you've got 2 joysticks, you've got a trim switch for your control, and you've got an on-off switch. So let's not hang around. Let's try this out for the first time and see how well it flies. All right, so there we go. So I turned on the transmitter, then I turned on the switch on the side of the helicopter, and you can see the 2 LEDs are very brightly lit. Let's put it over there and let's see how well it flies. Flies backwards and forwards. I'm pretty impressed how stable it is actually. You get confident with it quite quickly. And pretty accurate. You can see it's pretty much holding in terms of its yaw, so it's not moving, and just sensitive control on the sticks. Pretty good. Try again. Just to show that wasn't a fluke. Never thought I'd be able to fly an RC helicopter backwards so quickly. But I'm learning, it's really intuitive, I have to say. Coming back for a landing. Brilliant. I'm really impressed by that, actually. Really impressed how stable and for something so small, how accurately it actually flies. No doubt outside in a little bit of wind it's going to be a bit more challenging to fly, but perfect for inside, you know, when you can't go outside and fly, and really good that it does fly accurately. You can fly it in quite a small space. So that's the SYMA S109G from our friends at banggood.com. The link will be in the video description and a pinned comment on this video. So just click on that and see how much it is. I think you'd be surprised how cheap these things are. And I know that we've actually got a different version of this coming soon as well. It's a rescue helicopter, and we'll do a video of that in the near future as well. But thanks very much for watching this Essential RC flight test. Thanks to Harry on camera, and we'll see you next time.